के कृपा एपिसोड में आपको देखने को मिलेगा रोलेक्स चैलेंज विनर। कुछ तो गड़बड़ लग रही है, रोलेक्स का बैग लेके घूम रहे हैं।
आपने देखा मनप्रीत आई है रोलेक्स का बैग हाथ में देखे, वो किसको मिल रहा है? पता नहीं, मुझे भी आइडिया नहीं है।
वेलकम बैक टू कृपा शो। और आज के एपिसोड में तो आपको बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है। क्यों? क्योंकि आज है कृपा की मंथली मीटिंग। महीने में एक ही बार ये मीटिंग होती है और इस मंथली मीटिंग पे हम लोग बहुत फन देते हैं। और इस मीटिंग में हमने पूरे महीने की जो भी अचीवमेंट्स होती है वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, टीम से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। एंड हम लोग नेक्स्ट मंथ की प्लानिंग करते हैं कि आने वाले महीने में हमने क्या क्या अचीव करना है, हम नए गोल सेट करते हैं। तो रोलेक्स चैलेंज आपको पता ही होगा, तो आज नया रोलेक्स चैलेंज मिलने वाला है सारी टीम को। लेट्स बिगिन द मंथली मीटिंग विद सम फन। आज पंद्रह शंकरा भी होगा मंथली मीटिंग में, सो लेट्स बिगिन। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। वाओ, लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल ना, हाउसफुल। Thank you so much for taking out time. I know it's a weekday, but this was important because a lot of our team members are traveling. So I wanted to make sure that before you guys travel, we have this meeting so that we are pumped up for the entire month. This monthly meeting will start with something slightly different. I have something very exciting. We'll start with I'll give you option because usually we'll start with announcements. This time I want to start with something different. So I'll give you 3 options. You guys can choose कि आपको next 5 minutes कैसे spend करने before we start the monthly meeting. So number 1 is market knowledge test. Number 3 is market knowledge test. But number 1 is number 2. चलो जो last बचा है is good one, market knowledge test. No, just joking. So we'll start with actual one. So number 1 is market knowledge test. Number 2 is yoga. We'll do yoga for 5 minutes. Number 3 is we'll dance for 5 minutes. Okay, number 1 के लिए हाथ खड़ा करो. Number 1 के लिए market knowledge test. हाँ, देख गए मुझे. Okay, number 2 योगा के लिए हाथ खड़े करो. अब योगा आता किसको है? सर्व को आता है, सर्व भी कर सकता है योगा. नंबर 3 डांस के लिए. Okay, I think dance. Okay, let's dance for next 2 to 3 minutes. I'll play some music. But उसके लिए let's remove our shoes. And जिसको इधर आना आ सकते हैं, जिसको वहाँ खड़े होके करने डांस कर सकते हैं. Nobody wants to come on stage? That's my girl. Everyone knows. Okay, नहीं. Okay, guys, stand up. नेक्स्ट मंथली मीटिंग पे हम लोग प्रिपेयर करके आएंगे स्टेप्स, डांस क्लास. Oh yeah, we can do that. पंजाबी डांस, भंगड़ा, गिद्धा, गरबा. Amazing. 5 मिनट बोला था, 15 मिनट चले गए हमारे. Perfect. Agenda of the day, you all know. I'll not take much time. We have, I think, after 10, everybody has planned meetings. So we'll try to finish today's meeting as soon as possible. How did we do in June? How was June वैसे सबके लिए? How was it? Was good? Okay, let's start with social media star. So we'll start with the rank 3, okay? Social media star for month of June, number 3 is Asfa. Congratulations, madam. Drama Gen Z, congratulations.
I was second.
There you go. This is for you. Social media star for month of June, number 2 is Samaksh. Congratulations.
I need to go well on this also, but
Sure.
I have to.
Oh, he has posted 114 reels in last 1 month. top performer for month of June, number 1 is Geetika. ऐसे ऐसे करते आओ Geetika. Congratulations. Please, you can ring the bell as well.
Before I start about how my month went, I would say Samaksh finally a worthy opponent. Genuinely, सच्ची लगा था इस month शायद बहुत close था, but
This close. Only
But-
1 million difference.
you gave me a new drive angle which was not there from the beginning of Kirpa's journey, and maybe sometimes you need that कि कोई आके तुम्हें challenge करे कि अभी आपकी बैंड बजाने वाली हूँ मैं. To everyone who's watching, thank you so much for trusting, and I never expected our audience to support this much at this level, and I know it's only going to grow.
Absolutely. And this goes to you. All the best. अभी आपके सामने competition है. Any difference? What was the difference? 1 million. Imagine. Samaksh, Geetika. 1 million. Let's start with the best part of the monthly meeting. Our top performers. So, top performer for month of June, number 1 is none other than Priyanka. She's showing off her Rolex. Congratulations. Thank you. Please ring the bell. Amazing. Tell us about your deal. How many deals you closed this month?
I closed around 8 deals this month, and all of the leads were from Geetika. First of all, I have to talk about ma'am and the platform, whatever they have given us today. I think so nobody has in the entire market, I can say. For us as an individual, for Vaishali or for me or for Geetika, anybody, people recognize outside when we go outside, okay, you work in Kirpa, and ma'am has given us so much of celebrity feeling. Whenever we go out, she asks us to dress up very nicely, everything she notices, and she's very busy, but we feel very, very grateful. And first of all, thank you so much. And girl from village dreaming of so big, and I feel so proud about myself, about ma'am, first of all, Kirpa, everything, that I'm wearing Rolex today. This is a dream moment. Seriously, good dream moment है ये. मेरा पहला Rolex है. Yeah.
Always talk like this.
अभी मेरा only left hand काम करेगा, right hand नहीं. And thanks to Jai sir and ma'am for creating such a platform. Everyone recognizes us wherever we go, and thanks to ma'am again. Thanks to Kirpa.
Amazing. And one thing I would like to talk about Priyanka. This girl I have seen in last month, especially in June, I have seen her coming to office with swollen eyes. Her eyes will be like this big, face will be swollen. You know why? Because she was working till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the night, and she would come to office at 9:30 a.m. And I saw her a few times and I was like, no, you need to rest. You will get sick. And I saw her like that, and I was like, no, this girl deserves the recognition, deserves the rewards. So that's why I came up with this reward, because if someone is working almost 18 hours a day, that they deserve the reward. So you totally deserve it.
I can say that.
Amazing. This goes to you. Congratulations. All the best, Priyanka. उसका सिर्फ लेफ्ट हैंड चल रहा है आजकल. So our top performer for month of June, number 2 is none other than our Punjabi queen, Kamal. Congratulations, Kamal. You look so pretty. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Please tell us about your deal. What did you close? How many deals?
I closed around 5 deals this month, and 2 were commercial and 2 were the exclusive project that we have, and 1 was in Tamayak Islands.
And this goes to you. Oh, let's ring the bell before you leave. Amazing. All the best, Kamal. Thank you. Okay, our top performer for month of June, number 3 is superstar Lipika. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Over to you. Please tell us, what did you close?
So it's purely a God blessing that I am Kirpa, and I proudly say that because the experiences that we get from the market. So I closed mainly Shobha, Vasini Island, Heartland, and One. And none of the deals were easy. Basically, it was very critical deal because there was long waiting, continuous follow-up. One of the clients is UAE resident. Then what he did is which really touched my heart. He gave me the booking amount and waited patiently for 20-25 days for the unit to come. And when we finally gave him the unit, he told me, I know that I was coming to Kirpa and I was coming to Manpreet, I was coming to you guys, and I would not be disappointed. And I knew it back in my head that I'm gonna get what I want. So truly and greatly, I'm blessed that I'm a Kirpa Army and you have given me this platform to work and to grow. Thank
We all
you
are
so
blessed.
much.
We all are
Thank you,
blessed to
thank
be
you,
here.
thank you. Thank you so much.
This goes to you. Lipika's back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's ring the bell.
Okay.
Amazing. Thank you, Lipika. This is for you. Thank you so much. Did you guys enjoy the Rollers challenge? But participate सबने नहीं किया. Everybody underestimated the challenge. Doubt किया क्या कि मिलेगी या नहीं? हाँ? मन में होगा कि हाँ पता नहीं मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी. तो किसी का तो मिल गई. Someone has more expensive watch than me. I feel poor now. Perfect. But I want to continue this challenge. Amazing. So बताओ फिर क्या goal क्या होना चाहिए फिर? She set standard so high. अब इससे नीचे तो नहीं जा सकते. 30 million. Now we have to go slightly above because it's so easy. Okay. अक्षय ने बोला 40. मैंने नहीं बोला. Let's do 40. Okay. Akshay decided. Guys, Akshay ने बोला please 40 million. All because of Akshay. All because of Akshay, we decided to keep this challenge for 40 million. Whoever sells 40 million anything, चाहे आप इंडिया में बेच के आओ, चाहे पाकिस्तान में, दुबई में 40 million की वॉल्यूम, 1 month, starting from today till 30th of July. Okay guys, thank you so much. Let's cut the cake. Thank you for today. I want to see you next month on post.
Hi guys, here again Priyanka, the top performer of Kirpa Properties. Not only this, I have a Rolex in my hand this time. First of all, thank you so much for each and every one of you for supporting entire Kirpa Army, Kirpa Properties, our founder Manpreet ma'am and Jaisir. Thanks to them for creating such a beautiful platform for all of us. And thanks to our investors as well for trusting us and investing with us. And we make sure we sell you the right product. And I will come back again with one more Rolex wearing in this hand with one more top performer award by next month. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I'm the top performer number 2 for the month of June, and I'm truly blessed and grateful for this beautiful platform, Kirpa. And I believe that when you do your hard work and it always pays off. So for me personally, discipline and consistency is the key. So काम में लगे रहो क्योंकि फल आपको एक ना एक दिन ज़रूर मिलता है.
Hi everyone, I truly feel blessed to be receiving this top performer award here for the month of June sales. And I want to thank from bottom of my heart to Manpreet and Dr. Jay and the entire Kirpa Army and to all the clients जो हम पे ट्रस्ट करते हैं, भरोसा करते हैं और लाइफ का इतना इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन वो हमारे साथ लेते हैं. द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ आई एम रियलाइजिंग कि कभी कभी हम इतनी भागदौड़ में ना खुद को अप्रिशिएट करना ही भूल जाते हैं. आई डोंट वांट टू फॉरगेट दैट ऑल दिस सक्सेस व्हिच इज कमिंग माय वे, इट इज प्योरली द ब्लेसिंग ऑफ गॉड, हार्ड वर्क ऑफ मनप्रीत एंड द ट्रस्ट ऑफ ऑल द क्लाइंट्स दैट वी हैव. थैंक यू वंस अगेन टू एवरीबॉडी.
हम आए हैं बेंगाती के ब्रोकर रिकग्नाइजेशन अवार्ड्स के ऊपर, जहाँ पे हमारी पूरी टीम को रिकग्नाइज किया जाएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट, लेट्स हैव fun and receive the award for Kirpa Army.
So the team is really excited to receive this award from Bengati Developers. The team has worked really hard this year, even though all of this was happening, the conflict and everything, but they've worked really hard to make sure that they stay focused, and now they've achieved something for themselves. So team is waiting for us. Let's go to the stage and receive this award.
Another crazy day with Kirpa Army in Kirpa's office और आज Kirpa के ऑफिस में आ रहा है The Mac. The Mac दुबई का one of the biggest private developer है और आज The Mac की पूरी टीम आ रही है Kirpa के ऑफिस क्या करने? Games play करने. हम बहुत सारा फन करेंगे आज. The Mac की टीम एक्टिवेशन प्रोग्राम लेके आ रही है जिसमें they will play a lot of games, puzzles, questioning, answering, market knowledge check करेंगे and जो भी winners होंगे उनको प्राइजेस भी मिलेंगे एंड प्राइजेस आई डोंट नो क्या होगा रोलेक्स होगी आईफोन होगा लैपटॉप होगा आई डोंट नो हमारे स्टैंडर्ड्स थोड़े से हाई है पता नहीं अभी द मैक क्या लेके आएगा लेट्स बिगिन द फन एंड लेट्स वेलकम द मैक टू किरपा's ऑफिस लेट्स गो
Welcome to Damak Coffee 2026. Make a lot of noise! All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's hear it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. There are options to this. How many units are currently under development? So they're putting husband wife against each other. They want two houses to have Kalesh tonight. The game is going to be puzzle. We have made 90% of the puzzle ready. Just 10% is left. Done? It's not done. It has finally won. Come on, let's hear it for the boys. Come on, guys. So Sebi, number 1 goes to Dawn. अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ Dawn. Come on, guys. Let's hear for Dawn.
We had so much fun. आपने देख ही लिया कि किरपा आर्मी को सिर्फ बहाना चाहिए होता है फंक्शन गेम्स वगैरह प्ले करने के लिए तो आज हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया थोड़ी कुल्फी वगैरह भी खाइयाँ और फिर जूस वगैरह भी पिए which the Mac brought for us but it was too healthy. We are samosa people, paratha people and they got us fruits but it's okay. We managed. Anyways, this is all for today and thank you so much for watching Kirpa Show. मिलते हैं next episode में तब तक feedback जरूर लिखना comments में कि आपको हमारा Kirpa Show कैसा लगा और अगर आपका कोई feedback है कोई सलाह है आपकी कोई advice है तो नीचे जरूर लिख दो comments में free की सलाह देने में कुछ नहीं जाता. Bye. Thank you so much.